So today we're making different kind of bread because we're gonna make CEVAPI. It's called small beef of sausages, and we need homemade bread to put small beef of sausage inside with onions. And I'll show you that, but we're gonna start off with the bread. So all you need is salt, because we need this to sit for at least like 40 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna make this now. And then we're gonna mix the flour and salt together to even everything in. I'm making a lot because it's gonna be a lot of us. All right, so then you need dry yeast, this much, okay? Warm water, a little bit for now, and then just a little bit of oil. Maybe, hold on, let me show you how much. Maybe like this much. That's it. Yes, baby. My baby always come next to me. No, I'll give it to you later, okay? He always wants this flour to eat, to play with. And now you start mixing without warm. The water has to be like warm. Not a little bit warm, because it's not, the dough won't rise. So it has to be warm. So you do little by little. He wants. Dean, I'll give it to you after I finish.
No.
This one is a lot, but it's okay because I need a lot. I need at least 10, 8 to 10 of them for today.
Mama, what do you?
He took some flour. He always do this. When I'm recording, he's doing things that he's not supposed to.
Mama, you do something proper.
And again, this, the dough can be too soft or too hard. As you can see when you go through it with your fingers, it's fine. But just keep adding water until you're satisfied. And if you by accident add too much water, you can always add flour additionally. And then I don't need any more water. See this? When it's like that, it's fine, because I'm gonna show you throughout 1 hour of time that it's rising. You're gonna come, and every 15 minutes you're gonna mix it with your hand.
Mama,
and I'm gonna show you. Okay? All right, so we'll be back. Flour. So I'm going to show you how it rised. going to show you something. You hear? That means the dough is really good. Now, take flour and you stretch just a little bit. Do this, just a little bit. All of them, like that. All done. Now we're gonna put it in this pan, and we're not gonna do the oil, flour. Sprinkle it like this. And I'll do 3 at a time. I have 2 ovens. I'll do preheat the oven on 500 and bake it for 15 minutes. Okay, let's put them in. We'll see how they will rise, or rise, I should say.